Once you defined your label styles, you can label your objects. So in this case, I have a couple points. I'm going to go to the drafting tab. I'm going to click on points, which is going to create a point label. You're going to select this style, select the layer you want to place it on, even put in a rotation angle. You can do some other things like display attributes vertically or hide the name, but you want to pick the point to label. So I'm just going to come in here and pick that point, and you'll see that it automatically adds that label. Now I can do the same thing. I can pick multiple points, or I can just pick the next point. So if I pick the next point, you'll see that I can make and place that label. Now these can be moved, so I can grip edit those and move them to the other side. I can rotate them manually if I want, as well as if I pick on it, I can go into the properties and I can change the prefix, the offset, and some other values of that label.